Hi everyone, we're going to make beautiful flower pot. First we're going to draw the flower pot on this cardboard. Cut it and paste it on this white sheet of paper. Now collect different leaves and flowers and put it inside the basket and look, it's ready. We're going to use this grape stem. Now make different colorful balls using clay and dab all of them on this grape stem. Now we are going to make the flower pot. So make multiple cut on this paper cup, put pebbles inside it and tap the stem inside it and look, it's ready. We're going to make this lion face, so draw a circle on cardboard and draw its eyes and nose using black marker. After this, we're going to paste double-sided tape on the circle like this and collect different leaves and paste it on the top of the circle and make the mane of the lion and look, it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful flower bouquet using craft paper. So we are going to make multiple fold on this yellow craft paper. Fold it again, cut it from its tip and paste all of them. We are going to make 3 such shapes and paste a circle as well. Roll green stick, paste leaves around it and wrap it around this blue craft paper and look, your flower bouquet is ready. Let's make these wolf faces on chinar leaves. So collect some leaf, cut it and give it a shape like this. Now paste its eyes, draw its nose. Now make multiple cut and make the ears of the wolf and paste it on the back side using double-sided tape and look, it's ready. We're going to make this unicorn pen stand, so let's get started. Cut this plastic bottle and paste a white sheet of paper around it. Now cut all the shapes of the unicorn, its ears, its horn and paste it on the top of the bottle. After this, we're also making a beautiful flower and paste it on the top of it like we're doing here. Now paste eyes and draw its smiley face and look, your pen stand is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.